A gummy smile. Do you have a gummy smile? When you smile, do you see too much gums for your liking? Do your teeth look small? A gummy smile is caused by two things. One, our teeth are too short. So the gums to tooth is off. The other factor that can cause a gummy smile is if our upper face, meaning our top jaw, if the bone grew extra. And so it's showing more of your maxilla or of your upper jaw than we'd like to. The other factor is how dynamic is your lip. Some people's lips travel a long ways. Some people's don't move that much at all. So looking at a gummy smile and how do we treat it really comes down to what is the symmetry of your face and what can we do that can create that symmetry where the tooth looks proportional to the amount of gums that you show. It looks proportional to your lip and how it travels when you're laughing really hard, throwing your head back. So the treatment of a gummy smile can be very simple as a gum lift, we call it, where we're able to lift the gums up and create a longer tooth. Or it can be something that needs more extensive treatment. A lip flip procedure, which can limit the amount of travel that your upper lip has so it stays a little bit further down and doesn't cover up, doesn't expose so much gums. So a gummy smile is something that can be devastating to you because it just doesn't look right. If that might be you, let's talk, because there's a lot of options for you and I'm excited to share those with you. Dr. Landon Libby, cosmetic implant and sedation dentist here in San Diego. Follow me for more healthy tips for your teeth.